Bari Asuboy, mayong buntag, Buwakiri Puya, mayong magandang umaga guys, good morning! So it's 4 a.m. here, hindi na ako nakabalik ng tulog guys. So magluluto na lang ako for breakfast of my husband. So now I will eat bread first and milk before I start. Maliit yung eggplant ngayon guys.
You know guys, this bread, before I eat only 4 pieces. Now when you are breastfeed mom, can eat all of this. Pa more. Have pa more. Simulan ako. Magdahan-dahan lang ako guys, dahil tulog pa sila guys. Si baby at si daddy. Para madali siyang maluto kasi iluluto ko lang siya sa gas. Ang dami nito. Ito yung gulay guys. Hindi ko alam anong tawag dito. Ganito siya. Pwede na ito i-steam direct. Pwede na ito, bugasan ko na ito. Tapos i-steam and lagyan ng tomato and onions, ganyan. Itong eggplant nila, maliit na yun. Ay, maliit naman to parati. Decide guys, maliliit. Pag doon sa kisig guys, malalaki guys. Ganito guys. Ganito siya, maliit siya, pero yung mataba, sobrang taba ba ganito. Hindi kagaya sa atin na mahaba siya. Wala pa yung linis-linis guys. Linisan ko yan mamaya. While waiting guys sa sweet potato, maglilinis muna ako para later iba na naman yung gagawin ko. Good morning, darling. Darling, good morning, darling. Di ka makita, oy. Siya yung nag-picture sa akin, guys. Sabi ko, ako na. It's okay lang daw. I make porridge, guys. So, this is the porridge Dios, guys. Because nagluluto ako ng sweet potato. So, ito yung ipaparis ko sa kanya. Uwembe. I make a paste first, guys. Ito yung boiled water. I-boiled ko muna. Oh. Diba yung ano ko? Yung gas ko ay hindi pa malinis. That is mom life, guys. Busy. Walang kasama dito na maglilinis. Ito yun, guys. So, ipipaste ko dito. Maybe mga 3 tablespoon. Kuha muna ako ng ibang spoon. Sinahulog eh. Ay, nagbubol na siya. Mag-paste pa ako. What? My husband is waiting. Hi. He's saying I'm talking and the water is boiling, guys. Ayan. Tama na ba ito? Hindi ko talaga na-conscious. Tapos ganda na siya, guys.
Asa natin fire para madaling maluto. Kasi maliliit na siya, guys. Anong oras na ba ngayon? Wait lang natin.
7 na, guys. 7:40 kasi siya pupunta ng work. Nail cutter siya. Isasanbat ko muna si baby. Sumugo na to, guys. This is my husband, guys. He's doing the cutter. What happened? What happened? This one, wait. Manungugan. Darling, what happened? Niantog si ayun, guys, malik siya. Tutok muna ako nito, diba? Hindi ito magandang gamitin, guys. So itong aluminum, bili ako next time ng stainless. Kasi yung mga cooking pot ko dito, guys, ay wala nang ibang, ang iba wala nang kamay. Schooling. She's schooling. Ay! 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 Good morning! Love, love! Good! Love you! Say good morning, followers! Good morning, followers! Let's go on sunbath outside. Huh? Ay, kalat, kalat, kalat. Good morning, kalat, kalat. Ba. Morning, guys. Sunbath pa tayo. Sama. Yung porridge, guys, so milit, guys. Tapos gumawa ako ng porridge ni baby na maize, wheat, and soy. Ah! Bella! Ah, you're out na! Yummy. Is it yummy? Yummy. 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 Umiyak si baby, guys. Hello guys, so hindi ko ma-reach si Irene. Hapon ko po siya tinatawagan guys, hindi ko siya ma-reach. Kaya ako na lang naglalaba sa damit ni baby. Ay ako naman talaga maglaba. Nag-beach ako ng water guys. Kasi wala, naubusan na kami ng tubig eh. Puntahan ko siguro si Irene sa kanila. Tumera guys. Diyan lang guys ah. Puntahan namin ni baby. Kasi nakapagod. Pagod guys, magigib. Sakit sa likod. Tapos parang yung katawan ko is mabigat since kahapon. Oh, tingnan mo si baby, wala pang ligo. Maliligo muna tayo. Ligo muna kami guys ha. Igib lang ako ng kunti guys para siya naman magigib mamaya. Okay, let's go na. Oh, you see your urine. Yay! Kasi ano guys, dito siya dinadayapiran. Kasi maliligo na. Kung nakalibang pa na. Siya nakalibang guys since 3 days. Let's go na. Oh, you see. Go. Okay. Tomorrow.
See, you came home.
Huh?
If I came earlier,
It's okay. It's up to you.
tomorrow. Thanks.
Bella, wait. Mama is cook food. This is ugali, guys. Just wait a bit. I cook the vegetable, guys, this side. For lunch. Who's Dada is coming? Wait. You know, guys, I'm trying to cook this ugali. This is how they cook. Because ugali here in Kenya is live. While in the Philippines, rice is live. So, naluluto lang ako ng hindi madami, guys, dahil siya lang kakain dito. Bella, Bella, Bella. Kung sa atin pa, guys, ito ay tik-tik. Tik-tik. Wait. Then this side is the vegetable I steam first. Liga. Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Ah, you want Mama to dance? Ah, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. You're sick. Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Ah, let me slice the tomato, Bella. Let Mama slice tomato. Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Wait. Wait. Oh, wait. What is the problem? Huh? What is the problem? Huh? Let Mama slice this one. Ay, doon na. Oh guys, I hate this mag-ukay-ukay, guys. Okay. Cover. I'm done. The second one is ready. Pegamo. I see you. Parang ulan yun. Daddy's here with lunch. Hi, Daddy. Go inside. Inside, Bella. Daddy's here. Bye-bye.